Whether you're a total beginner or someone looking to take their channel to the next level, watch this video until the end, because I'm about to break down 6 strategies you need to follow to turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. And here's the best part. Anyone can do it. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need millions of subscribers. What you need is the right strategy. So if you're ready to unlock the potential of YouTube and create a stream of income that works for you, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into how you can make money on YouTube starting today. But before we get into the video, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations about how you can make money on YouTube. Make sure to check out that link. And now, let's get straight into the video. Ways to monetize your YouTube channel. And the best part is, these strategies can be combined to maximize your income. Now, let's get into 6 proven strategies about how you can make money on YouTube and become financially free. Strategy number 1, YouTube Partner Program, AdSense. The most common way to make money on YouTube is through the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to earn money from ads that play during your videos. To qualify, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you're accepted, you'll start earning a share of the ad revenue generated from your videos. But that's just the beginning. Once you're monetized, YouTube opens up even more opportunities, like channel memberships, super chats, and premium content that allow you to engage with your audience and increase your earnings. Combine that with the power of affiliate marketing or sponsored content, and you can turn your YouTube channel into a serious income stream that grows as your channel expands. Strategy number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to make money on YouTube, especially for faceless channels. You can promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral links. Include these links in your video descriptions and mention them in your videos. For example, if you run a tech review channel, you can promote gadgets on Amazon and earn commissions through their affiliate program. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it doesn't require you to create your own products. You're simply recommending items you already believe in. Plus, the more trust you build with your audience, the more likely they are to use your referral links, which will lead to higher conversions and commissions. This is a scalable income stream that can grow as your channel expands, giving you the flexibility to earn without depending solely on YouTube ads. Strategy number 3, sponsored content. As your channel grows, brands may approach you for sponsored content. Brands are eager to tap into engaged audiences, and if your content aligns with their target market, they'll be more than willing to partner with you. This is where you get paid to promote a product or service in your videos. Even faceless channels can land sponsorship deals, especially if you have a strong following in a specific niche. Just make sure to disclose any sponsored content to your viewers to maintain transparency and trust. This is crucial for building long-term credibility. The more authentic your recommendations, the more likely you'll attract even bigger sponsorships, which can turn your channel into a lucrative business opportunity. Strategy number 4, sell digital products or services. Another great way to monetize your YouTube channel is by selling digital products or services. This could include anything from ebooks and online courses to membership sites and exclusive content. If your channel focuses on a niche like tech tutorials, for example, you could create and sell an in-depth course on mastering a specific software. If you're running a meditation channel, you could offer guided meditation downloads or access to a premium relaxation playlist. The beauty of selling digital products is that they require minimal ongoing effort once created, allowing you to generate passive income. Plus, since you're not relying on ad revenue alone, you have more control over your earnings. Strategy number 5, merchandise. If your channel starts to build a loyal following, selling merchandise can be a lucrative option. Even faceless channels can sell branded items like t-shirts, mugs, and posters that resonate with your audience. Platforms like Teespring and Printful allow you to create and sell custom merchandise without worrying about inventory or shipping. Just design your products, link them to your YouTube channel, and start earning from every sale. Merchandise can also serve as a form of promotion for your channel, as your fans may wear or use your products in their everyday lives, spreading the word about your brand. Strategy number 6, crowdfunding and memberships. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon offer another way to monetize your content. You can create a membership program where your most dedicated fans can support you financially in exchange for exclusive perks. These perks could include early access to videos, behind-the-scenes content, or even direct communication with you. This model is especially effective for channels that provide ongoing value or have a strong community feel. Even with faceless channels, you can build a loyal group of supporters who are happy to contribute to the growth of your channel. Once your channel is up and running and you're starting to see some income, it's time to think about scaling. The beauty of YouTube is that it allows for massive scalability, meaning the sky's the limit when it comes to growth. To truly scale your channel, you need to streamline and automate as much of your workflow as possible. This includes content creation, publishing, and even engagement. Tools like TubeBuddy and Hootsuite can help you manage your channel more efficiently by automating tasks like keyword research, video scheduling, and social media sharing. Consider outsourcing parts of the process as well. For example, hire a video editor or a scriptwriter so you can focus on higher-level strategy and expansion. As your channel grows, it's a good idea to diversify your content. This keeps your audience engaged and attracts new viewers. You can experiment with different video formats, such as live streams, Q&A sessions, or collaborations with other creators. You might also want to explore different content themes within your niche. For example, if your channel is focused on tech reviews, you could branch out into tutorials, news, or even tech industry commentary. The goal is to keep your content fresh and varied while staying true to your niche. Even though your channel may be faceless, building a strong relationship with your audience is crucial. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that addresses your viewers' needs and interests. Engaging with your audience not only helps build loyalty, but also gives you valuable insights into what's working and what's not. Consider creating a community around your channel, whether through YouTube's community tab, a Facebook group, or even a Discord server. This can turn casual viewers into passionate fans who will support your channel in the long run. Before we get into how to scale your channel effectively, smash that subscribe button and check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations about how to make money on YouTube. Make sure to check out that link. And now, let's get back to the video. To scale effectively, you need to constantly analyzing your channel's performance and perfecting your strategies. Use YouTube analytics to track key metrics like watch time, audience retention, and traffic sources. Identify which videos are performing well and why, then replicate that success in future content. Don't be afraid to experiment with different titles, thumbnails, and video links to see what resonates best with your audience. Continuous improvement is key to long-term growth on YouTube. Imagine this for a moment. Waking up every day, not tied down by the 9-to-5 grind, but instead having the freedom to work on your own terms, all while earning passive income. That's the kind of financial freedom you can unlock when you start making money on YouTube. Whether it's through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or selling your own products, YouTube offers endless opportunities to build a sustainable income stream. The best part? You can do it from anywhere, whether you're at home, traveling the world, or working from your favorite coffee shop. With the right strategy, dedication, and a bit of creativity, YouTube can open the doors to true financial independence, giving you the control to live life on your own terms. That's the power of YouTube. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, smash that like button, and share it with your friends. For more Make Money online opportunities and tips, click or tap on my next video, and I'll see you there.